Hello friends, I'm Subhi. Welcome to my channel, Fame Maths Classes. Hope the previous class about linear equation was useful to everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss grade 8 linear equation and one variable exercise 2.5 question number 1, 2, 3. Watch full video, subscribe, do like and share to your friends. Dear children, if you have any doubt, please do comment. Thank you. Dear students, we are going to start. That is exercise 2.5. Solve the following linear equations. Question number 1. That is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So, here you can see how to solve these equations, linear equations. Don't worry about this question. Since it is a fractional form, you don't worry about this. Just follow the rules, that is bring all the variables to the left hand side and take constants to the other side. That is the way we need to answer all linear equations. So here x by 2 we can keep it here and take x by 3 from RHS to LHS, it will become negative or it is subtraction here. And first you need to keep RHS 1 by 4 and take minus 1 by 5 to the other side. So it becomes plus 1 by 5. Now take LCM. Take LCM on both sides. So here it is, we know 2 3s are 6. So this will become 3x by 2 into 3, that is 6, minus here it is 2x, we need to multiply with 2 to make the denominator 6. So we need to multiply with 2 to make the numerator correct. That is 2 into x, 2x by 6. So which is equal to, here the LCM is 4 5s are 20 and we know. So here we need to make 20. So by multiplying 4 with 4 by 5 we got 20. So 1 into 5, that is 5 plus, and here 5 into 4, that is 20, and 1 into 4 is 4. So 3x minus 2x, we know that it is 3 minus 2, that is x by 6 equal to 5 plus 4, 9 by 20. Then how to solve this one? It's no need to worry. Keep x here and here x is 6 is in the denominator. When you take it to the other side, it will go to the numerator by multiplication. Because here it is division by 6. When you take it to the other side, it will become multiplication by 6. And what is the possibility that we can write? Here 3 2s are 6 and here 10 2s are 20. So we can write it as 27 divided by 10, or which is equal to 2 divided by 7 by 10 in mixed fraction. Hope this simple problem everyone understood. Now question number 2. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equal to 21. How to solve this? Solving a linear equation means we need to find out the value of the variable. That is known as solving. Okay, so here the variable is n. So we need to find the value of n. How can we find the value of n? The same method we can apply here. First of all, we can check whether all the variables are there in the LHS and constants are there in the RHS. Actually, in the given question itself, all the variables are in the LHS and RHS constants only. So, here it is given in the fractional form. Whenever you see fractional form, you can take the LCM. So, we need to take the LCM of 2, 4, 6. So we got LCM value 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Now we need to convert all the terms into an equivalent terms of denominator having 12. So we need to convert here. We know that it is 2 into 6 will work out here. So on top also we need to multiply. So it becomes 6n divided by 12 minus here 4 into 3. That is 4 3s are 12. So we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3. So it becomes 9n by 12 plus, and next it is 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. So numerator also we need to multiply. It becomes 10n. So now we need to do the calculation on top. That is 6 minus 9, it is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 10, it is 7n by 12 equal to 21. N is equal to 21 into, we can take this division by 12 will become multiplication by 12, and here it is multiplication by 7 will become division by 7. So 7 3s are 21. The answer is 36. So we have solved, or we find out the value of n here, that is 36. Now we can think about question number 3. How to solve this problem? First of all, read the problem and understand. It is given x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Okay. And so apply the rules here to solve the linear equation. The rule is that take all the variable part to LHS and take all the constants to RHS. So which are the variables here? X minus 8x by 3 and minus 5x by 2. So what is there in LHS? The variables we can write as it is x minus 8x by 3, and take this minus 5x plus by 2 to this side, it become plus 5x by 2, and keep 17 by 6 here. Then take the constant to the other side. Constants are 7 and 17 by 6 here. So plus 7, when you take it to the other side, it will become minus 7. Now I told you, whenever you see fractions, take the LCM. So this part we know 3 2s are 6. 6 is the LCM. So first x we can multiply and divide it by 6. That is 6x by 6 minus, here we know 3 into 2 is 6. So we need to multiply the numerator denominator by 2. 8 2s are 16x by 6 plus, here 2 is given in the denominator, so we need to multiply it with 3. The numerator and denominator we need to multiply by 3. So it becomes 5 3s are 15, 15x by 6 equal to, and look here, here it is 17 by 6 minus 7. So here also the LCM is 6, because 7 we need to consider as 7 by 1. So it becomes 6 into 1. 6 is the LCM. So here already 6 is there as the denominator. No need to change. But 7 we need to change. We need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 6. 7 6 are 42 by 6. Now we can solve this. 6 minus 16. We know it is minus 10. 6 minus 16 is minus 10. How I got answer? We need to subtract the numbers and put the bigger one sign. So 6 minus 16 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 15. Minus 10 plus 15. We can check minus 10 plus 15. What we get? We need to subtract and put the bigger one sign. So 5 plus 5 we got. 15 minus 10, 5, and bigger one is 15, so its sign is plus. So we got 5 here. So it is 5x by 6 equal to, and here also we need to do, that is 42 minus 17. Children, we get 25. And it is bigger value is negative here, so I need to take minus 25 by 6. And you can see both sides having denominator 6, we can cancel it. And so we got 5x equal to minus 25 and x equal to minus 25. Here multiplication, so when you take it to the other side, it becomes division. So minus 25 by 5 is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 is the answer here. Hope everyone understood these problems. Thank you for watching.